Sit tall with your legs extended straight in front of you, hands by your hips. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hinge from the hips and reach forward to catch your big toes between your thumb, index, and middle fingers. Lengthen your spine, keeping the back concave. Exhale again, widen your elbows and fold forward. Bring your forehead to your knees. When this becomes easy, make a further effort to grip the soles of your feet. As you grow more comfortable, clasp your hands by interlocking your fingers and rest your chin on your shins. Finally, if you can, take this stretch deeper by clasping your hands beyond your feet. Hold here, breathing evenly. Thank you for practicing Paschimottanasana with me. Namaste.